I can't.
Why?
Because I don't have that word.
What word?
I don't have the training word.
No, I'm talking about when you went down that trail that was so scary.
The trail that was scary when it was the woods.
Yeah. Can you tell me about it?
Yeah, but that was weird because it was so gonna get me so weird.
Really?
But I didn't know who had that red thingy. But I didn't know who had that mask thing because I had to take it off of him and see who is it.
Who was it?
I didn't know, but someone said and that thing, but I didn't know what was it.
You don't know what it was still?
No.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you get scared?
No. I had my eyes closed, but I was trying to say hello, but I was scared of me. And then I did this.
What'd you do?
I did this. I did this, and then that scared me because because the wish scared me because that way the wish scared me because I did this.
Oh. Well, did you find out where AJ was?
He was in the room, and then the wish tied him.
Really?
And he couldn't get out.
Oh.
But I had to get my Ninja Turtle thing, and I called it all for a day, and then get him out of there. Because I had to do that, what I can do. Because I had to, because that's what Ninja Turtles do.
What do they do?
They caught something there, but the blue one has the swords. Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
that one has these.
It does.
But I think you have to just get my microphone. Because I had to.
Are you going to sing?
Yes.
Here you go.
Twinkle, twinkle, star.